Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And yes, it is still Friday, and yes, it's still time to get prepared for the weekend. All right, you all stay tuned. I got a couple of nice watch faces you just might want to download. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got a couple of decent watch faces for you all to check out. It is still Friday. We are still trying to get you ready, so you get a choice to pick what watch face you're going to wear for your 3-day weekend, right? All right, with that being said, check this one out. Very nice, very unique. Yes, it has a full tilt, and even in the always on mode, you're going to get a traditional analog look. Now that's different considering that the watch face is digital. Now you're going to get your digital time in 24 hours. For those of you all who like 24 hours, the one we did earlier was 12 hours. I told you I wasn't going to forget about you. And you get the date with this one, and you get your steps, which is most important for most people. Now with this is what I like most about this watch face. You can customize the look. You get a few to change to, but it's nice. I thought it was very decent. I thought it was one that you might want to check out and add to your lineup. Check this one out in the Gear Manager store. It's worth the download, in my opinion. Number two. Now, number two is nice. It's called Bloody G, and it is not like the one you saw earlier today. This one is different. Just check this one out, right? First of all, the watch face is different. I like it. Everything is legible. Now, you get 24-hour time, right? So you get a double dose this time. But when you cut this thing in the always on mode, it goes to 12 hours. Now, if you've seen something like this before, hit me in the comment section below, because this is my first time seeing something like this. I thought it was very, very unique. I like it. I thought it was nice, right? But when the watch face is on, you're going to get your date. You're going to get your day. Again, your time in 24-hour digital. And it's legible. I'm liking it, right? And you get a little character up there. I don't know what that's all about, but you also get some shortcuts. You get miles walked around. You get your heart rate. You can go into your contact. You can go into your photo, but you gotta double tap. That's probably the only thing that I don't like about it, is that you have to double tap in order to go into whatever it is that you're looking for. But all in all, overall, the watch face looks great. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I know you're getting ready for the weekend. Remember, have fun, be safe, party like it's 1999, and hit the like button on the way out. All right, you all, this is going to be it for this video. Listen, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. We got more videos coming. We got more watch faces coming. And I will see you all at the next video. Take care.